Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and tasty recipe, cake pudding. Ever find yourself wondering what to do with leftover cake pieces? Instead of tossing them out, let's turn them into a delightful dessert. In this video, I'll show you an easy, step-by-step way to make a delicious cake pudding that's sure to become a dinner table favorite. So grab those cake scraps and let's get started. Place all the leftover cake pieces in an 8x8 square pan. In a small bowl, whisk 3 to 4 spoonfuls of milk with the custard powder until fully combined. Then pour this mixture into the rest of the milk and stir well. Add sugar to taste, stirring to dissolve, and mix in the cardamom powder. Pour this milk mixture over the cake pieces, making sure they are fully soaked. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees centigrade for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the surface appears dry. Serve warm with a spoon or let it cool to room temperature before enjoying. This is one of those recipes where looks can be deceiving. When served warm, it's so good there are rarely any leftovers. Simple, delicious, and made from scratch, this is a treat anyone can make and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope you loved this easy and yummy recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will be back soon with another homemade recipe that's just as easy and delicious. Until then, take care and happy baking!